This fifth wheel can sleep 7 and it's half-ton towable. This is a 2024 Cougar half-ton 29 BHL. This sucker is 8,360 pounds dry and 33 feet 4 inches from tongue to bumper. Out back here you see we got a ladder to our fully walkable roof, and then up top you can mount a backup camera. Underneath this 20-foot awning here we got a couple of outdoor speakers, an outdoor camp kitchen, flat top griddle, and a mini fridge. And then right next to that we got a massive pass-through storage. Pretty spacious in here. It's a great area to store the kids when they're misbehaving. Forgot to mention there is an outdoor shower here next to our camp kitchen. We are in Muskegon. This is a beach town in the summer, so we're very familiar with tracking sand all around our houses and our campers. Very handy little feature to stop that from happening. Let's get on inside this John out of the cold. Ooh, wowie zowie. We're actually going to start at the very back of the camper. This is our bunk room area. We got a double bunk that'll sleep 2 down below, and then a couple twin bunks up top. And what's really cool about this bottom bunk, it actually folds up into a desk. You latch it there and here, so you can use this as an office space. Or you see we got plenty of room in here with this folded up for some kayaks or some bikes with this door here. Back into the living area, you see we got our little dinette here. This will convert into sleeping for another person. Bada bing, now you got a guest bed here. Obviously this isn't the most comfortable looking bed. I'd recommend putting like a foam mattress topper or something on there. Couple theater recliners here, equipped with cup holders to handle all your beverage needs. These are directly across from our electric fireplace as well as our smart TV. To the left we got our kitchen area, 3-burner gas stove, microwave, undermount sink, detachable faucet. The sink cover here is a cutting board as well. Going up the stairs, we're gonna take a right into our bedroom. That's a nice bathroom. Porcelain foot flush down here. We got a real good sized medicine cabinet. Wowie zowie. Shower here, got a seat and a skylight. Lastly, we'll head through this door into the master bedroom. Holy guacamole, we got a queen bed here. Good wardrobe slide here. A lot of space to hang your clothes. Some nice mirrors on that, good for watching you and your partner sleep. And then if we want to mount a TV up across from your bed, you can do so right here. You got your hookup from the ceiling. Let me know if you got any questions on this sucker. The phone number is in the bio.